The solar system, our home in space. Space is enormous, so vast in fact that it's almost impossible to comprehend just how tiny we are. Imagine zooming out from your room, your city, your country, until the Earth becomes a pale blue dot. Now, keep zooming, past the moon, past Mars, past the frozen giants. You're still inside what we call home. Welcome to the solar system, a small bubble in an unimaginably large universe. But it's not just a collection of planets orbiting a star. It's a dynamic, swirling, violent, and beautiful neighborhood that gave birth to us, and maybe one day will take us back. Let's explore this cosmic home and discover just how strange and wonderful it really is. Part 1. The Sun, our fiery anchor. At the heart of our solar system is a blazing inferno. The Sun, a giant ball of hot plasma, makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. If the solar system were a scale model, the Sun would be a beach ball, and Earth a peppercorn orbiting 25 meters away. It's not just the center, it's the engine. Every second, the Sun fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing an explosion of energy that takes over 8 minutes to reach us. That light powers everything. Plants, oceans, weather, even you. Without the Sun, Earth would freeze into a lifeless rock within days. But the Sun is more than just a warm friend. It's dangerous too, spitting solar flares and coronal mass ejections across space. These can disrupt satellites, fry electronics, and even knock out entire power grids. Still, we owe everything to this violent neighbor. Part 2. The inner rocky worlds closest to the Sun are the 4 terrestrial planets: rocky, solid, and small. Mercury is a scorched, cratered world. It's baked by day, frozen by night, and spins so slowly that a single day lasts 59 Earth days. It's like a burnt-out cinder ball tumbling too close to a bonfire. Venus looks lovely in the night sky, but don't be fooled. Its surface is hotter than Mercury's, hot enough to melt lead. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, with clouds of sulfuric acid and crushing pressure. It's a glimpse into what happens when climate goes wildly out of balance. Then there's Earth, the only known place in the universe that supports life. A fragile blue miracle wrapped in a thin atmosphere and sustained by a delicate balance. From space, it seems serene. From the ground, it's alive with noise, motion, and complexity. Next comes Mars, the red world. Once wet and possibly habitable, now cold, dry, and dusty. It's still the most likely place in the solar system where life might have existed. And maybe one day humans will walk there. Part 3. The asteroid belt. Remnants of a broken dream beyond Mars lies a vast field of rubble, the asteroid belt. It's not like in the movies, where spaceships dodge floating rocks. In reality, the belt is mostly empty space with asteroids spread far apart. But it's home to millions of rocky fragments, leftovers from the solar system's violent formation. Here we find Ceres, the largest object in the belt and officially classified as a dwarf planet. It contains water ice and maybe even a subsurface ocean, a failed planet, or a world waiting to be understood. Part 4. The gas giants, titans of the outer system. Farther out, the solar system changes dramatically. The small, rocky worlds give way to giant planets, massive, mysterious, and made mostly of gas. Jupiter is a monster. It's so large that all the other planets could fit inside it. Twice. Its atmosphere churns with storms, including the Great Red Spot, a hurricane larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter has a powerful magnetic field and dozens of moons, including Europa, an icy world that might have a liquid ocean beneath its crust, and possibly life. Next is Saturn, famous for its stunning rings. These rings are made of ice and rock, some no bigger than pebbles, some as large as houses. They shimmer like a halo, beautiful, yet temporary. One day, the rings may disappear entirely. Saturn also has Titan, a moon with rivers and lakes, not of water, but of liquid methane. It's a bizarre mirror of Earth, showing us how different chemistry can build familiar landscapes. Part 5, The Ice Giants, Strange and Distant Worlds. Even farther still are Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants. Uranus spins on its side, like a rolling ball. Its atmosphere is cold, blue, and mysterious, filled with methane gas that gives it a turquoise hue. No spacecraft has visited it up close since Voyager 2 flew by in 1986. Neptune, the farthest true planet, is deep blue and whipped by supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system. Its moon Triton orbits backward and might be a captured object from the outer system. These planets are quiet enigmas, distant, cold, and hauntingly beautiful. Part 6, The Edge, where our solar system ends or begins. Past Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a ring of icy debris, leftovers from the solar system's formation. Here live countless frozen worlds, including Pluto. Once the 9th planet, now a proud dwarf planet with icy mountains, nitrogen glaciers, and a heart-shaped plain. It's small, but complex, geologically active, and utterly fascinating. Beyond even this, there's the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of icy objects that may stretch a light year from the sun. It's never been seen directly, but it might be the source of long-period comets, ancient messengers from the solar system's edge. At these distances, the sun is just another star in the sky. Gravity grows weak, space grows dark, and eventually, we leave the solar system entirely. Part 7, A Fragile Island in Space. The solar system is our home, but it's also a tiny bubble in an endless ocean. Beyond it lie hundreds of billions of stars, each with their own planets, their own mysteries. The Milky Way is vast, and it's just one galaxy among 2 trillion in the observable universe. So why care about this tiny patch? Because it's ours. Because it's where we were born, where all life we know has evolved. Because everything we've ever loved, ever hated, ever built has happened here, in orbit around one small star, in a quiet corner of the galaxy. Part 8, A Story Still Being Written. Our exploration is just beginning. We've sent rovers to Mars, probes to the outer planets, telescopes to the edge of space, yet 99% of our solar system remains unseen, unexplored, unknown. There are mysteries waiting, underground oceans, hidden moons, life, maybe, and stories yet to unfold, ones that depend on us. One day, our descendants might live on Mars, fly through Saturn's rings, or build cities on asteroids. Maybe they'll look back at Earth, not as a cage, but as a cradle. Conclusion: our tiny, beautiful home. The solar system is ancient, 4.6 billion years old. It will likely survive for billions more. But our place in it? That depends on us. We are the first species, as far as we know, to understand the solar system, to name its planets, study its forces, and dream of leaving it. In a universe full of chaos, our solar system is a rare island of order, fragile, beautiful, mysterious. It's not just where we live, it's who we are.